Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovid and in this tutorial I will show you how to play Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So, first what you need to do is install Counter-Strike. Now you click on properties, now installed files, and now verify integrity of game files. When it doesn't work, next step is download CS2. Here you have all files which you need to download CS2. You have link in the description to this CS2. You may trust me guys, I won't really show you that you can play. Here are files which allow you play Counter-Strike 2. Okay, so we click at this. Okay, so I must wait because here is integrity files. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, I did it. As you can see, here is Counter-Strike 2 and we can play. And now you can play only offline. You may test this game. Trying. Okay. Okay, we can start. Okay. Terrorist. Starting as terrorists. Bot. Okay. Let's go guys. I will show you this remake. Okay, we can see play. Okay, I will show you. As you can see, it's looking much better than Global Offensive. I will show you this Grenada and look at this. Oh yeah. You may shoot by the flash. So cool. Yeah. Okay, we can go forward. Look at this Grenada. Bro, what the hell? Okay, nice. Good job, mate. Nice shot, mate. Okay. One round and we can end this gameplay. End this tutorial. Sorry. Okay, AK. Only $15. I have. Okay. No. Okay, thanks for watching. So you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, bye bye. See you next time. Thank you.